Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will talk about my second citation in Google Scholar. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I have to admit I am new in research. I've just published two researches. One is my co-author with Ma'am Rhea Balontong, and then the first one as a sole researcher. So even though I'm just new, I am happy that today I received an email notification from Google Scholar that my article entitled Human Resource Information System with Machine Learning is cited. So I received this email. One new citation to your articles. So let us be so the study who cited my research entitled Digitalization and its Impact on HRM, Leveraging ICT for Efficient Workforce Management. When I click this link, so it will display my article here and then the link. So it was published this June 12, 2022. The title is Human Resource Information System with Machine Learning Integration. So we have here the description. The Human Resource Information System with Machine Learning Integration was developed to aid in the management of employees' records, profiling, turnover, data analytics, and the generation of electronic personal data sheets used by the government service records. It was developed with the feature of predicting employee turnover using a supervised machine learning method. The system can also generate the following reports, namely the government service record, years of service, and loyalty awards, and available leave credits of the employees. To determine the quality of the developed system, the researcher, that is me, use the ISO 25010 software quality model as a basis when evaluating the properties of a software product. The integration of machine learning in the human resource information system proves to be a very useful tool if integrated into a human resource information system to predict trends in the different aspects of human resource management. Based on the thorough evaluation of the experts and respondents, it was found that the human resource information system is highly usable, secured, efficient, and provides a fast and easy way to manage employees' records and predict employees over using a supervised machine learning that uses the linear regression method. So, the first citation that I have received is in 2022, 2023 I don't have, and then this year, praise God, I have another one. So I hope that you able also to support my article about human resource information system with machine learning integration in Google Scholar to increase my citation. It was published in Kubahan Academic Journal. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope that you have learned something new, and please support my work in research in adult also researcher. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.